Welcome to our next tutorial on Java. This tutorial we will concentrate on equal ignore case with boolean. So how this happens we'll see here. For that here I am creating one new project. on the name of equal in a boolean equal. I'm creating one new project. Here I am giving this as boolean equal. So this project as creating with this. So we'll see here how this happens here. Okay, so it's created this. Now for this I am creating here one package called com.boolean. So within that package I am creating one class. So that class name called as BooleanEqual. Just I am creating that as BooleanEqual. So for this also here I am taking these values. So means here I am creating one string with name of something. So here I'll keep this S1 as a string S1 that is AndroIndian, and string S3 I'm changing this string S3 to S2. Then I'm removing this S4 as well here because just I want to compare here both S1 and S2 itself. So how I'm comparing here is just I'm saying this here system equal ignore case. Here what I'll do is here I'll write here so dot equals to S2 means S1, just I'm comparing the S1 with S2, and the same here I'm taking S1 dot equal ignore case of S2. So how this happens you can see here now, means just with the boolean values I am checking this. See, I'm running this condition, I'm running this program. See here what happens here, the first line could be here is the false, second should be the true. Why? Because here equals to, this equals to is nothing but I am comparing with the exact value including case sensitive. But for the second case, if it is an equal ignore case, it's always either it should be capital or small, the output should be the same. So that is here equal ignore case. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.